Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today I'm going to share with you a brand new trading script that has the power to transform the way you trade and help you generate consistent profits with simple buy and sell signals, and the best part is, first signal up was given to us towards you, we will take it towards you and wait for the result. Extremely beginner friendly, so even if you've never coded or used signals before, you'll be able to follow along and see results, because this script is designed around a unique up/down signal system where you'll be able to follow along and see results, because this script is designed around a unique up/down signal system where you'll instantly know when the market momentum is moving upward and you can look for buy opportunities, and when the red down signal appears, it signals potential bearish moves where you can prepare for short entries or protect your capital, and the amazing thing about this strategy, that it combines multiple technical indicators behind the scenes, things like moving averages, RSI, and volatility filters, but presents them to you in a clean, simple way with only two outcomes, up or down, making trading decisions fast, easy, and stress-free. And let me tell you from my own testing, this script has given me some of the clearest entries I've ever seen, with profit potential across Forex, crypto, stocks, and even indices, and if you stick, wait results. I'll explain step by step how to install this script, how to apply it on your chart, and how to use the signals to maximize your profits while minimizing risk, plus I'll give you bonus tips on money management. Thanks for watching.